Reading Pioneers is proud to present The Gritty Little Lamb, written by Dan Allbaugh, illustrated by Anil Yap. Little Lambie loved to play. If he had his way, he'd play all day. Building towers, playground slides, jumping, hanging, wagon rides. Blowing bubbles, climbing trees, nearly all activities. When asked his favorite, he exclaims, "There's nothing I love more than games." Come and join me at the table. All are welcome. Tell the stable. I've got plenty of room to spare. Don't stand and stare. Pull up a chair. From the start, the very beginning, his heart was filled by the joy of winning. There's not an animal he couldn't beat. But he loved to win, so they let him cheat. Then one day he played with Dad, who played it straight, which made Lamb mad. "I've played this since my days in school. You're not playing by the rules." Lambie screamed and cried, threw a fit, stomped and kicked, and said, "I quit." Out of anger, tipped his chair. Then he said, "This game's not fair." Daddy understood his pain. He paused a moment, then explained, "Son, I've played this game for years. I've lost my share and shed some tears. There's a lesson in the losing. Your response is your own choosing. It's true in games and true in life. You'll have tough breaks, bad luck, and strife. But your reaction matters more than the scoreboard's final score." Lambie knew that dads are shrewd, so rearranged his attitude. Now little Lamb was filled with drive, confident that he would thrive. "I'll study hard and learn the rules. I'll excel. I have the tools. Next time we play, I'll go farther. I'll beat you. I'll work harder." Very quickly, he improved. Mommy helped to show him moves. "Stick with it," she told Lambie. "Practice, practice. That's the key." But all the hours started mounting. Way too many. And sheep love counting. "It's so much work," Lambie said. "I can't do it." Then hung his head. Mom's next words kept him going, helped him see that he was growing. "Remember, kid, you weren't born talking. At 12 months, you started walking. When you fell, you weren't done. First you crawl, then walk, then run. It all happens bit by bit. But you never get there if you quit. So when you say, 'I can't do it,' don't forget to add a yet." Lambie knew that moms are wise. He'd listen well to score the prize. "I can't give up and quit on me. I'd never know how great I'd be." So every day he trains some more, striving for a higher score. A rematch will be his finest hour. All this practice gives him power. The day arrived when he felt ready. "I can win! Prepare confetti!" he challenged Dad to that same game. His passion burning like a flame. His hard work showed for all to see. The game was as close could be. The final move comes down to me. I will secure the victory. Lambie squeaked by with the win. His dad gave him a sheepish grin. Son, he said, I'm proud of you. You thought to quit, but saw it through. I have had my share of wins, but that's not where the joy begins. On that journey of improvement, it's fun to find that you can do it. Grow the biggest watermelon. Tell the funniest joke worth tellin'. Ride a skateboard? Surf a wave? You can do them if you crave. Have bigger dreams. Make them yours. You could dig up dinosaurs. Or take a trip through space to Mars. Then you'd live among the stars. With any passion you pursue, your success is up to you. Whatever you may want to be, don't quit, and you'll achieve your dreams. You can do it, just not yet. You will do it. I'll take that bet. Save the sheep. A hungry wolf is starting to creep. Build a fence. Save the sheep. Rules. 1. Each turn, draw a line or use an object to connect two horizontally or vertically adjacent dots to make a fence line. 2. Making the fourth line of a box fences in a sheep, earning you a point. When you fence in a sheep, you must move again. 3. Lines are drawn until all sheep are safe and fenced in. The player with the most fenced-in sheep wins. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading along with us today with the story The Gritty Little Lamb by Dan Allbaugh. I love the rhyming and how the story teaches the young little lamb, Lambie, how to handle his attitude. My favorite line was, "Your reaction matters more than the scoreboard's final score." This is very important for everyone to learn and follow in life. Win or lose, succeed or fail, our attitude and reactions will be remembered better than the result. If you would like to get your hands on this wonderful story, you can check out the Amazon link below in the description box. While it has only just recently been published, I guarantee it is a great addition to every child's growing library. If you would like to get your book read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, just like Dan Allbaugh. And hopefully we can turn your book into a read aloud. It would also be awesome to click the like button if you enjoyed the video and comment below your thoughts about Lambie and the lessons he learned. While waiting for the next upload, click the subscription box down below and turn on the notification bell so you can be updated on the next read aloud. Also, you can check out the playlist on the left of other videos by rising authors, and on the right is my own short story called Shark Fin Boy. This is it for today's video, so thanks again everyone for reading with us, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.